Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna be downloading VS Codium. It's different than VS Code. So let's go. Let me open the Firefox browser. You just need to type VS Codium. That is not VS Code, but VS Codium. So over here you can see it's a free libre open source software binaries of VS Code. Same similar thing with as a VS Code, but the difference is doesn't include the proprietary libraries, and it's a community driven. So that's a little bit of description that why does it exist. Microsoft VS Code source code is an open source MIT license, but the product available for download Visual Studio Code is licensed under this not floss license. You can check by clicking here, and contain telemetry and tracking. People don't like that. According to this comment from the VS Code maintainer. Okay. So that's the only reason this VS Codium exists. And that's why I've been seeing a lot of people watching my video to install VS Code on Fedora. So that's to give me encouragement to now install a VS Codium and tell them how to install it. So different environment in Mac, you use Brew. This is Windows, you either use Choco or Winget. I personally use Choco and I like it. So strongly recommended if you are using Windows. Also Scoop window. And Linux, you can install it with Snap. Uh, you can also use apt install Codium. Okay, and today I'll be using Fedora Center or OpenSUSE. So the first thing I need to do is to add the GPG key. To do this, I just copy this and I'm gonna open a command line here, and I'm gonna right click and paste. Make sure you have access as a root user to your system. So now we add the key, RPM keys here, and now you gotta do this line to create the repo file. If you're using SUSE, you can use this one. Well, I'm using Fedora right now. Here's the right. So it will create a file in etc/yum repo d with the VS Codium repo. Let's do that. And we can get that file. So that's the line here. And now you can do sudo dnf install Codium. For SUSE, of course, you use Zyper. DNF install Codium. It's gonna install the Codium here. Yes, I will accept. Key. Yes, accept this. Okay, installation is complete. All you can do is go to activities and type vs Codium, and it will show up with this kind of uh, icon. You right click it and add it to favorite. So vs Codium is here, and now you click there. So here you go. VS Code, open, open source, Libre, everything is similar, nothing except for some libraries. So later on, I will show you how to do Java development in this IDE. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you comment, and if you are using other environment, let me know how it goes, and please follow me for more like this. Thank you very much. Bye.